What's up guys? So sa video na to, magsasolve tayo ng isa na namang problem about DC circuits. So meron tayong problem dito. Suppose the electric company charges 10 cents per kilowatt hour. How much does it cost to use 125 watt lamp 4 hours a day for 30 days? So first, sulat muna natin yung mga given natin. So meron tayong electricity rate na 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So, electricity rate $0.10. So, $0.1. Since naka-dollar yung unit natin ng choices. So, gawin natin in terms of dollars ito. So, alam naman natin, di ba? 10 cents is equal to $0.1 per kilowatt hour. So, ang unit natin, ayan, $0.1 per kilowatt hour. Ayan. Tapos, meron daw tayong 125 watt na lamp. So, P is equal to 125 watts and 4 hours mo siyang ginamit. Tapos, per day. 4 hours per day, tapos 30 days na, ganun yung scenario natin. So, magiging time natin dito is times 30 days. Yan. So, yung magiging time natin dito is 4 hours per day times 30 days, cancel. So time is equal to 4 times 30 is 120 hours. Okay, so ngayon try nating hanapin yung magiging total electricity bill niya sa paggamit ng 125 watt na lamp for 4 hours in a day for 30 days. Okay, so ang kailangang unit natin dito is in terms of dollars lang. So, meron tayong electricity rate dito. So, 0.1 dollars per kilowatt hour. Meron tayong power na 125 watts. Ayan. So, kailangan nating ma-eliminate tong kilowatt hour dito. So, since nasa baba yung dalawang yan, so maglagay tayo ng power and time dun sa taas. Okay? So, naka-watts ito. So, convert muna natin into kilowatt hour or kilowatts. So, times, so watt, kilowatt. So, 1,001. Next, so hour naman. So, meron na tayong number of hours, 120 hours. So, cancel natin, cancel, and cancel. Ayan. So, ang matitira nating unit dito is yung electricity bill. So, electricity bill is equal to electricity rate times yung power times yung time, duration na ginamit natin tong lamp na to. Okay, so kung isa-solve natin ito, so let's try to solve. 0.1 times 125 times 1 over 1,000 times 120 hours. So ang sagot is $1.5. So $1.5 yung magiging electricity bill natin. Yan. So, cancel yung kilowatt hour. So, dollars na lang. Okay. So, ang sagot sa problem na to is letter D. $1.5. So, dapat nandito pala siya. Nakabila. Okay. So, with that, thank you sa pakikinig and panonood. Bye, guys!